How to add more transitions on your Google Slides. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys a quick way to add a morph transition on the Google slide. So as you can see, I have my Google Slides open right here. So first thing what you have to do is add anything that you want to change the animation to or morph it to, but there is no direct morph animation, so you'll have to tweak around with its settings and other stuff to make it look like the animation is morphed. So here I'm just going to insert an image or any shape. So I'm just go ahead and insert a smiley face right here, so something like this. And now I'm just going to copy this exact thing and paste it on the other slide right here. So I'm just going to adjust it a bit. Now I'm just going to fill out this with a random color right here. And I'm going to do the same with this image. Alright, so once you do that, if you right click on this image, you will have an option to animate. So if you click on it, as you can see here, you have different animations. So I'm just going to zoom out on this animation and play it. So once you do that, I'm just going to start the slideshow. So if I do this and then click on next, as you can see, it is now zoomed out and it has kind of morphed. So that's pretty much it for this video. I will see you on the next one.